natural gas. In this video, we'll be going over my trade idea of the week and the day-by-day probability model. So let's start off with the technical analysis on the 1-hour chart. We're in positive MACD. We're slightly off of overbought levels with the RSI. With the 4-hour chart, we're in positive MACD and at overbought condition with the RSI. As we extend that further to the daily chart, we are in positive MACD and at overbought levels with the RSI. We continue to make higher highs and higher lows. And as with the trade idea, I'll be trading UNG. My trade position size for is less than 1% of my portfolio. My long entry is at $23.39, and that is this range here, and that is this 9-day moving average. My sell target is at $26.34. My stop loss is at $22.72. However, if I were to open a short position, my entry is at $27.81, and that is this range there. My sell target is at $24.12. My stop loss is at $29.41. So whichever entry price were to hit first, that'll be my position of the week. So how did I develop these trade ideas? It all comes from the day-by-day probability model. As we progress to the 5th day or week of trading, natural gas has a 33% chance to climb between 0 to 9%. To the downside has a 33% chance to fall between 0 to negative 9%. And a 33% chance to fall between negative 9 to negative 17%. So if you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.